Hey y'all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. Wow, I got a surprise in the mail today. I've been kind of waiting on this, and I'm going to do a nice unboxing today for you on the Avid Armor commercial vacuum sealer. I can't wait to do this. I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys. I'm really excited about this one. I discovered Avid Armor a couple of weeks back, maybe about 3 weeks back, when one of my group members on the Fire and Water Sous Vide and Barbecue Facebook group, she purchased one of these off of Amazon, and she gave it a really stellar review. I'd never heard of the brand before. I've seen the Vac Masters and Westons and some of the other similar units. I never heard of Avid Armor, and then I started to do a little bit of research on them and found out they're a small husband and wife company out of Kansas, and they have a high quality product and they are dedicated to customer service. So I reached out to them, and Nina is one of the owners. She responded back to me and said that she'd be more than happy to send me something to kind of review and go over, and that's what I'm going to do. They carry their own line of vacuum bags. They got some rolls here that I'm going to try out. They also have some pre-cut bags. This is a sampler pack that actually comes in with the unit itself, and they sell, you know, the sample packs on their own with the different size pre-cut bags. They have a canister set. Let's open that up first. So this particular vacuum sealer, you can use their canisters, and these aren't plastic, you know, cheap looking canisters. They're stainless steel canisters, 3 different sizes. Got a big one, a middle one, and a smaller one. And they all come with the sealing lids. And it comes with the attachment to use with these canisters. I'm excited about trying these because I like to use whole bean coffee, and it's hard keeping that fresh after you open it. So I'm going to be trying these out, definitely. And this is the big thing. This is the thing I was really looking for, because I've had my foodsaver now for about 1.5 years. You know, I've had it. You've seen it on my videos. It works okay. It's not very good with liquids at all, because there's no way to adjust the strength of the suction. It's hard to stop it in the middle of the suction unless it's running a full cycle. So I've been having to, if I have liquid in the bag at all, having to drape it over the side of the counter and have let the gravity help it keep the moisture down, and then trying to just get it to stop and seal. So this particular unit, like I said, it's similar to some of the other units out there, like the Weston or the Vac Masters. If you look online on a lot of their reviews, they don't get really good reviews. And I think a lot of that is to do with them being so big, here's the box, that they don't really take care of their customers very well. So this looks like it has extra seal bars. It's got an extra seal bar, so in case you need a new one if it goes out. Take this out. It's got your instruction booklet, your power cable. Everything's, you know, pre-wrapped. I got another vacuum, another canister appliance here. This thing is solid steel. There you go. It's also kind of compact. It's really about the same size as my my foodsaver, and this is my current foodsaver, and this cost me about $100 when it was on sale. You know, it's stainless steel, but like I said, it's very limited on the controls. There's no you can't adjust the seal pressure, you can't adjust the seal time. It does have a moist setting, which all that does is it kind of goes longer on the seal time. It does have the adapter for the canisters. I just never really got into the cheap plastic canisters that FoodSaver offers. The only difference is this can actually store some bags, where I don't think this does. But this has a lot more heavier duty pump. It also has the adjustability factor. There's extra buttons on here, and I'll get a close-up so that you can see them. It has different buttons on here for the seal time. You can actually adjust the seal time to a specific time. You can actually do shut it off in the middle of sealing. You can do a pulse, which is good for liquids. So you can just kind of pulse the vacuum till it till it gets right up to where you need to seal it. It has the marinade function, accessory function. Very heavy duty lid here. Like I said, the seal bar comes with extra components for the seal bar, so in case it goes out on you. It's got a nice little area here for your bags to go in. It's really heavy duty, and I can't wait to get this thing started and do some videos on it. This is just an unboxing, just kind of show you what comes with it. Like I said, I've heard really good things about it, and I can't wait to get started with it. So there you go, guys. Take a look at them. Look for my full review down the road. This is just an unboxing. Look them up. I'll put a link down below for Amazon and their website as well, just so you can see what they're all about. Like I said, they're a small company, husband and wife team. It's been in business for a couple years now, getting very popular. I've had people buy these and really love them. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I'll see you on the next video.